What is up, you guys? It's Greg again, and in this video we're gonna be comparing two very similar serums. The first one is available locally and is relatively cheaper versus the high-end brand, which is the Ordinary. Both have niacinamide as their major ingredient, and let's see which one is worth it between the two. So I'm gonna give my thoughts both from these serums, and at the end of the video I'm gonna give my verdict of which I think is better of the two. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's start this video. So before we start, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Greg and I do videos about men's grooming, men's fashion, and fragrance reviews. So if interested kayo sa mga bagay na yan, consider subscribing to my channel. But if you're already a subscriber, make sure you check out our other videos so that you don't miss any of our content. So yun na nga, Luxe Organix Miracle Repair Serum Niacinamide versus the Ordinary Niacinamide Serum. Very similar when it comes to, obviously, the packaging, very similar. The major ingredient na in-offer nila is niacinamide. So I think this is Luxe Organix take to the Ordinary Niacinamide. So we're gonna be starting this review dito mo tayo sa high end. This one is 10% niacinamide, which is mataas yan, with 1% zinc. So if you don't know what niacinamide is one of the best ingredients when it comes to skincare in general, right? Nakakatulong yan sa paglalighten ng mga dark spots because nire-repair niya yung skin natin. It also helps with oil regulation. It also helps with uneven skin tone and making your skin look healthy overall. So this is one of the ingredients in skincare na marami siyang tina-target ng mga skin concerns. So niacinamide is like the Iron Man of Avengers, parang ganyan. Niacinamide is really good. It works wonders in our skin. Yung results na ino-offer ng niacinamide is very impressive. That's why I started using niacinamide serum a few years back. This is my fourth or fifth of this serum from niacinamide, and these are my thoughts. To me, after using this for almost a year, masasabi ko lang dito is it balances my oil production from being super oily to a normal oily skin. Okay, I'm still oily skin. Okay, hindi naman nagbago talaga yun, but I saw a great difference when it comes to before na parang sobrang greasy talaga to a less oily skin. Ganon lang siya. Hindi siya magic na matutuyo yung skin mo. Hindi ganon. If you're oily skin ka na talaga. This one will just help to regulate oil production and prevent it from producing excess oils. Marami kang makikita mga reviews about this one na nakapagpa-heal ng acne, pawala ng mga dark spots. To me, hindi ko masasabing gano'n yung effect nga sa akin. To me, this one works pero hindi tulad ng sobrang pag-hype na napapanood natin sa YouTube. It helps pero hindi dramatic. Okay, hindi dramatic changes. So, but this is good. Alright? The moment you apply it on your face, parang amoy Elmer's glue. Ganyan siya. Although hindi siya watery when it comes to its consistency, pero mabilis naman siya ma-absorb. Nag-iiwan lang siya ng parang very thin parang layer sa face, and you can immediately see and feel kahit hawakan mo pa yung face mo na talagang nagta-tighten siya. That's what I love about this serum. Over time, you can see na yung face mo hindi talaga siya nagba-brighten. It's more of pagpantay ng skin tone mo. Yun ang nangyayari niya sa akin. And yung sa mga mabababaw na mga acne marks, yan, na-address niya yan over time as you continuously use this serum. Yan, nababawasan niya yan. So, yun lang ang nagawa sa akin ng serum na to. Nothing really special, nothing really magical, okay? Walang hype, okay? That's how it works on me, okay? Now, magkano ko siya nabibili? I started buying this on a price of 600 to around 700 pesos. Kasi if you convert ito from euro sa peso, nasa around 600 more or less siya. Depende sa conversion. So, pag tumitingin ako sa Lazada, ang hinahanap kong price is always 600 up. Okay? Para at least maiwasan yung mga fake, 'di ba? Kasi maraming fake sa online, 'di ba? So far, lahat ng nabibili ko, pare-parehas naman sila ng amoy, pare-parehas ng consistency, pare-parehas naman ng feeling when I'm using it, okay? Kabili rin ako one time nito sa Instagram sa isang trusted na online shop which is called Merchant Manila. Ayan, so nako-compare ko, okay naman lahat. This is priced around more or less 500 pesos sa online, sa Lazada o sa Instagram. Marami nagbebenta ng ganito. Just go for reviews. Alam niyo yan, lahat naman pag bibili ka sa online, laging check ka sa reviews kung positive yung mga feedbacks or mga comments, especially kapag may nagko-compare nito sa mga original. Those are my thoughts on this serum. Let's now go to Luxe Organix. So nag-release si Luxe Organix last year 3 serums, and one of those is Miracle Serum Niacinamide. So sabi ko, very familiar with the ordinary, diba? If you can see, they're very almost like 90% the same when it comes to packaging. The major ingredient is also the same, which is niacinamide. So, and yung price nito is 499, so 500 pesos siya. As you can see, niacinamide is 2% with vitamin E and licorice. I'm not sure kung tama yung pronunciation ko sa licorice or licorice, but licorice. Vitamin E, we all know that it's good on our skin, whether orally or topically. It's moisturizing, it's firming, so dapat okay yung vitamin E. Licorice naman is the one responsible for the dark spots and repairing yung mga skin damage din. May mga products na makikita sa drugstores na nagpapawala ng mga scars, okay? Hindi lang sa acne kundi sa katawan. And most of them, ang major component is licorice because ginagamit talaga yan for scars. As you guys can see, okay, halos ubos na yan. This one smells like baby powder, parang ganun. Pag in-apply mo siya sa face, ang tumi para siyang pulbo, parang ganun. So nung binili ko to, sobrang taas ng hopes ko kasi nga at least hindi na ako bibili ng niacinamide na mag-order ka pa online. At least anytime pwede ako magpunta sa Watsons to get a bottle of this. And however, okay, ito na nga, hanggang sa naubos ko yung bottle na to, I did not see any visible results from using this serum. I didn't feel any changes in my skin, which is very disappointing and nakakalungkot kasi sayang kasi available siya sa Watsons, madali siya sanang mahanap. At first, I had high hopes on this serum kasi nga niacinamide, diba? And then may vitamin E, may licorice. I was expecting na makokontrol niya yung oiliness on my skin. I was expecting that it will repair some of the redness and the blemishes na meron sa mukha. I was expecting na malilesen yung appearance ng mga dark spots na syempre paminsan-minsan lumalabas because of acne, but I did not see any of those results. Unfortunately, wala talaga akong I'll be straight to the point na wala akong nakitang results. I'm not sure, baka sa akin lang. I really hope na sa akin lang kasi again, if you're in my channel for a while, you know how I rave AHA BHA toner from Luxe Organix. I also love their cleanser, which is AHA BHA cleanser. Sobrang okay yung mga yon. But this one, I'm disappointed. If this video happened to reach Luxe Organix, you can check my video sa YouTube, you can check my Instagram. I love your cleanser, I love your toner, pero hindi ako na-impress with the serum because I did not feel any significant effects or changes on my skin. So with that, I may not repurchase another bottle of the serum and might as well go to the ordinary niacinamide, which is sad because gusto ko sanang suportahan yung local brands natin that are available sa Philippines. Syempre, we go to whatever product is working on us, diba? So in terms of niacinamide serum, I still go for the ordinary. So yun guys, yun ang review ko about these two serums right here and my thoughts, my verdict. The price, nasabi ko na yung price. It's now up to you if you want to try both of them or just go to my recommendation. It's really up to you, but I hope this video somehow help you in determining which one you should buy. So yun guys, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel kung hindi ka pa subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram, it's gentlemanstyleph. I'm gonna put the link on my description so you can check my Instagram where I post the same things doon sa Instagram ko. Also, comment your thoughts below in the comment section. Kung na-try nyo na either the ordinary or the Luxe Organix Serum or both, let us know in the comment section. So thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.